Hello everyone. Read this question carefully. This question is on advent of Portuguese in India. You have to find the correct option. Read it carefully. I'll give you some time. Okay. So the first statement says the Portuguese established its first factory at Cochin. No. You all know Portuguese arrived in 1498. They established in 1500 their first factory where at Calicut. And in 1503 they established this Cochin factory. So this was established in 1503 and it was the headquarter. Fine. So first statement will become incorrect. Second statement, the permit system for ships was introduced by Francisco de Almeida. This is also incorrect because Francisco de Almeida, he started, if you remember, Blue Water Policy. Blue Water Policy. This was to control the Indian Ocean. The permit system was to control the shipbuilding sites. So the second option will become incorrect. Basically, this permit system was started by none other than Alfonso de Albuquerque. So third statement says Alfonso de Albuquerque abolished the practice of sati system in Goa. This is correct. This was done in 1515. In 1510, they acquired Goa from Sultan of Bijapur. In 1515, he abolished the sati system in Goa. So this is correct. The fourth statement, the Portuguese governor Nino da Cunha shifted the capital from Cochin to Goa. Yes, this was done in 1528 and it was done by none other than Nino da Cunha. So fourth statement is correct. So we have third and fourth as correct statement, first and second incorrect statement. The correct answer will become 2 only. So with this question, we understand that we have to read modern history very accurately and we have to remember things because of these options. So, to more such questions, please follow our channel, and those who have marked B as your option, congratulations. Thank you.